Damu la Nandoni lo fhatiwa nga ṅwaha wa gidi fumi malo ubva tshe la fhatiwa. Damu iḽi ḽi ḓo ambarelwa nga mafhungo o vhalaho zwi tshi kwama masheleni a mbadelo kha vhathu vhe vha pfuluswa vhuponi uhu vha tshi swielwa ḽone damu la maḓi. Vhadzulapo zwa zwino vhari masheleni e vha afhiwa o ḓa nga mutome nahone vho fuwa andozwo ya dzinnḓu dzavho ngeno andozwo ya masimu avho vha songo a wana.
Please can we have those funds, or please can we have access to the water that has been put down or that has been used while they're using our farms in order for each and every one of us to have water? How come don't we have water where else we are staying in a place where there is water?
We were better then. Today we are so very poor. And the thing which is making us poor is because we are being told that we'll get money. You're not waiting for money, you think it will be better tomorrow.
Vhadzulapo vhari vha khou xelelwa nga fulufhelo.
After this meeting, we are expecting department to come to us and finalize the compensation. If that can't happen, it's better we're gonna open it, all the valves of the dam. The water must just flow out, all of them. We're gonna go back to our milling fields and plow again.
Huko dzudzanywa komiti tharu vunduni la lImpopo none dzine dza ḓo fara dzulo nga kha maḓuvha mavhili zwi tshi kwama iḽi fhungo.
If we find, because he has given us a report, we will compare what the petitioners are saying in the report. If the report is telling us there is progress, we'll appreciate it. But if it tells us there is no report, then we're moving. We can't go back to him again. We are going to report them to the president. We believe that the minister is not playing game. The people of Nandoni and Giyani are still not getting any progress.
Komiti dzenedzo dzikhou lavhelelwa dalela damu iḽo nga mugivhela.